Apple just released a preview of iOS 10.2, which means a bunch of new additions have been added to its emoji library. New professions have been added, like a rock star and an astronaut. At long last, there's an avocado. And as you can see, the update includes new, redesigned versions of old classics. But people aren't happy about the upgrade the peach emoji received. Major facepalm, which is also new. Back to the peach. It's been synonymous with one's backside for years and has been used in many a sexting conversations, but now looks a lot more realistic and less like someone's derriere. Cue the social media outrage. One Twitter user writes, "The peach emoji was the closest I ever got to seeing nudes. No!" A bunch of peaches on display here with the comment, "Save the peach butt." At Jetsetters Flyin doesn't even know what to do. While Ian calls the move devastating. Now people are worried the eggplant will be on the chopping block, as it's long been used to represent something else below the belt. The new peach didn't bother folks like Landon, who says it still kinda looks like a butt. And at 2Travelaholics writes, it's fuller bottomed. Besides, the tomato is always a good second option. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.